available. What's the team available? I don't have a team with me, I am the team. Now, in order to bridge this particular gap, if some of you people who are sitting here for seminaries, like you have, corporate directors available, maybe if you could possibly supplement us by being part of our team, then possibly we may be able to bridge this particular gap. And a pool of such people is a crucial need, particularly if you talk of the informal sector. They would need it quite desperately. And an additional point which I would like to make, which is absolutely off any discussion whatsoever, perhaps none of the inventors and stakeholders knows one particular fact. Somebody was asking what is the benefit which I get out of a patent. I don't know of many other benefits, but one benefit I know of, and I'm sorry to say that I'm only the second person in entire Mumbai to use that particular benefit, that the Income Tax Act gives you a benefit under Section 80 RRP, when 3 lakh rupees of your income is certainly exempt. So if you don't get anything else, at least 3 rupees of that.
And again, the expenditure in R&D has been exempted from the tax.
Recognize that. When the R&D has paid, recognize. I think I just keep the response. The first is that whether you want to take it to the market yourself or to sell it to the outsiders. There is a stage. You do not conceive your own product. At one stage you are transferring your thing to the other person. So the question is at what stage you are going to transfer it? If you are going to be the producer, consumer itself, the chain is completely within you, in your house. Obviously, it will not take place. There is always someone outsider. So the thing is that at what stage you are going to transfer it? You are going to transfer it at commercial stage after making production or what are the purchasing. So you have to think that very clearly. Funding is available plenty. Yes. The information has to be passed on. That is what is the second point which Professor Amarnath, they are telling, Amarnath was telling and Anil was telling. How to really pass the information, not by academics. That is what the networking is talking about, that's what the liquid is talking about. The 60 people present in this place, they are not knowing about a TEP program. Since I am here, my Amarnath is here, my complex is here, Sanjay is here. 5 people have come from the TEP family to share your idea. No. What is expected? That's what Professor I said yesterday also. All of you inform 10 more people. That is the networking. Through that route, you will be able to go to the real people. Advertising is a cost. Networking is a communication. Right? So we want communication through the networking, not through the advertisement. Right? Advertisement, if it will do that, but that's not going to be replacing the communication. Please do what was Amarnath is telling, what was Anil was saying. Please communicate to other people. There is a funding. Third type of angel investors, market about it. But none of the people who are present here, except maybe for the ones who are talking about the taxes of the earlier products, angels will not look at you. You have to come to the stage where angels will look at you. And then when you come to the level where angels will look at you, definitely. But I'm not telling you about the new work and the mentioning of the real activity. The activity is not a part of this idea. People will be ready for the register. It is what I'm saying.
This round of discussion was in the context of formal and informal. We have another book discussion coming up where we will discuss exclusively for the formal sector. And one of other issues, fabrication, many other issues are listed there. So on commercialization, if there is any other thought, radical thought, radical, not experimental thought, radical, yes.
Actually, I wanted to make one suggestion. Probably many people may not like it. But it is something like this. At the moment, many of these facilities are only at Delhi. I want many of these facilities at most of these A-class cities. I think Delhi or central government should not have any role in this process. What is this drastic suggestion I am making? See, when we have to coordinate or do something at Delhi, it creates lots of problems. There are many
This is the right of country. It's the right to the
At the moment, we have to go for more decentralization.
Total decentralization has to be there because we face many problems while dealing with agencies at the moment.
See, the problem is that every state government has a science and technical department. They have departments. They don't do much. It's like you are. So what you're saying is that police should actually have the state governments. That's their function. That's their mandate. That's they have been elected for that purpose. But they give least attention. If you look at the budget of the state governments, hardly any work will be found as innovation is being there. So this is a problem. But we have to address this problem. And we will see how you know what happens today? Finance committee chairman. But the biggest chairman, finance committee chairman. Whenever he sees a system or centralized state financial administration, he has a office of finance. He gives them the book on the of the state. And the last member, finance and the minister of Bengal. And Bengal minister looked at a book about innovation in Bengal, which he never knew from his own machinery. His eyes are open. Same thing happened in Madhya Pradesh. Same thing happened in Haryana. So there is a process going on. He is doing it at his personal level because he is the finance commission chairperson, which is the senior most position. He was the first position in terms of financial allocation, and he is also governing council member of NIS, former advisor to the prime minister. So he is personally doing that, raising the consciousness of every chief minister he meets. He spends 10 minutes after discussing the state issues. He said, "Now I am going to present you a book, and I will appreciate that you will take personal attention." He said, "Keep it on your table, so that anybody and everybody who comes to you for discussing about various technological issues, you tell them that, look, why couldn't this book become this big? So that there are more and more things." So this is happening slowly. And you will see the results in the coming months or coming years, but he is single-handedly pushing this issue further. I think it's a good idea. It's a good idea, Raj. It's a good idea because let us take it up in the next meeting. Let us take the Assembly Minister honor the Chief Minister in the National Technological Day function. Very good idea. Any other such radical idea? It's a good idea. We will implement it.
Not a radical idea, sir. I'm basically asking for clarification. See, many innovators are innovators. They're basically apprehensive that once they reveal their invention, so many people will copy you. My thing is, once you patent it, it becomes a public domain. But when you leave it with APTT, CTT, and India Innovate, whatever, you go to the wider audience. What are the remedies available?
Please understand, there is no remedy available. If someone by reading a patent is intelligent enough to bypass it, If he is infringing a patent, as somebody mentioned in a book yesterday, it is your responsibility to proceed against him, not the government's, not the patent office, not anybody else. It is the inventor who has to proceed against the infringer against the constitutional. We have to again, when we come to that stage, we have to create windows to support innovators in the infringement suits. I mean, that issue, we have to get ready for that. So that's going to happen. So this point is valid, but at the moment, there is no window. No government agency will support you for legal expenses at this moment. But next year it will change. I'm sure this will happen.
I like that.
Yes, because we have to finish